Hello everyone, I'm sharing with you Goldman Sachs latest weekly flow data for US equities for the week ending in November 22nd. This one captures the smart money flow, and right now this chart shows you the leverage change. So compared to the week before, US fundamental long short strategies growth leverage, gross leverage, it's showing in blue here. The gross leverage is up by 3.3% to 192.4%. So this is a 66th percentile in 3 years. While the U.S. fundamental long short net leverage fell 1.2 point, or represented in grade over here, now down to 53.8%. This is the 59th percentile in 3 years. And U.S. fundamental long short ratio right here in black, it fell 2.4% compared to last week. It's currently at 1.776. This is 53rd percentile in event in 3 years. So pretty much we're seeing for the past week, we're getting higher overall leverage, but bulls are relatively weaker than the bears. So let's look at the actual trading flow. The net flow is in black over here, and for the past week, we're seeing that the overall equities were net sold for the second straight week and saw the largest net selling in 3 months. And last week's selling was minus 1.75 standard deviation for the past year. It's driven by short to long ratio of 2.9 to 1. And this week's notional short selling was the largest since September of 2023. And if we look at the macro product in blue here, the macro product including index and ETF combined were net sold for the second straight week, and it was minus 0.7 standard deviations for the past year. And the single stocks in the black line here, the single stocks made up 75% of the total dollar amount net selling. And for the week, it's minus 1.95 standard deviations for the year. For the past year, it's driven by a short to long ratio of 2.4 to 1. So 8 out of 11 U.S. sectors were net sold for the past week, led by financials, healthcare, utilities, and consumer discretionaries. While there's only 3 sectors that were net bought, we have materials, information technology, and consumer staples. The hedge funds were aggressively net sold U.S. healthcare, and U.S. healthcare is in this line over here, and this is after being net bought 7 out of the 8 prior weeks. And for financials, which has also been hot, financials has been heavily sold for the week, and financials has been net bought for 5 out of the 7 prior weeks. So that's all I want to share with you today. So as a conclusion, bulls are losing momentum against the bear in the recent 2 weeks, and that's something I want you to see, because I think it's kind of important to gauge the smart money flow. And if you like this kind of insight, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. I'll see you next time.